Greetings, it's April 29th, 2021. Under the Wings 40 is now completed and framed. I drew the wings in the figure in 1997. I drew the wings recently in winter, spring 2021. I'll get back from it in a second to get the whole frame in there. Girl photographed in the Warsaw ghetto by a Nazi soldier named Willie Georg. And this work is part of a triptych trio of three figures who are side by side in the photo. Under the Wings 39, 40, and 41. So I'm going to be either drawing wings on 41. I might draw allegorical sea monsters, which would be the earliest work, kind of chronologically, because it wasn't until 2015 with, I think it was Under the Wings around number 60, mid-60 something, that I began with the allegorical sea monsters. This is the figure for Under the Wings 41, and that's him, and the photo taken by the Nazi soldier. There's the girl, and viewers can bring up a video I did of the boy, also all three figures again drawn in 1997, and I draw wings, metaphoric wings in him in 2017 at the Ornithology Lab at the Burke Museum of Natural History in Seattle, and which was framed also more recently. There's a video of that up. All right, there you have it. Let me see if I can get this framing there. Thank you, budgies, for your musical. See, they get shy when I turn the camera towards them. It's very interesting. They're like some people who are camera shy. Come on, can we have a little tune here? A little chortling? Not even any like squawking, kvetching. Oh well, okay. I'll turn away. We'll see if they start up again. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching.